Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing some cooking today. Something easy peasy, nothing too harsh or anything like that. But make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Don't forget to comment down below. See you in the next. So you would need lettuce, 2 different cheeses, sliced cheese, King Hawaiian bread, the Hawaiian sweet rolls, and last but not least, chunky sliders, beef. The seasoning, you'll need onion powder, paprika, then we need Goya, and then garlic powder.
And then you need the pan to put the meat inside. And don't forget to get your flat bowl to put the meat inside so you can season the meat.
So what we're going to do now is take the meat out of here and we're going to put it on the bowl, the plate. Same difference. It's still frozen at the bottom, but it'll be all right. What we're going to do is turn on the oven for 350. So what we're going to do is I'll probably pat them down a little bit because I want my burgers to be a little flat. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm flattening it down because I want my burger, like I said, I want my burgers to fit my bread. I don't want no burgers that's a little, that's little. I want it to be big. When I'm seasoning my meat, I think I should do it on both sides. Not a lot. Just so. But I see you in the next clip. So what I'm doing now is patting it down like this, and I have the seasoning on the plate, so I'll be doing it like this because I don't have time to be pulling it on there and it get a little salty or whatever the case may be. I don't know, but just know it's going to have the seasoning on it. I know you probably don't supposed to flatten this down, but like I said, I want my burgers to be fitting my buns. So this is what we have right here. And we're ready to put it in the oven. We got 9, and then there's 9 more I have to do. So I'll be back. So what we're doing now is putting it in the oven. That's what it is. All right. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So what I'm about to do is take it out and flip it, and then so what I'm going to do now is flip them over. Ooh, I don't like when that grease pop on me. Be real careful with it. But this is what this is what it looks like right here. If y'all can see. Small enough for the little Hawaiian bread. So what I'm going to do is let it cook a little bit more on the other side. Actually, I don't have to do that. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And then I'm about to cut my bread. Okay, so now I'm about to take this out. See how small they are? So, and I'm about to cut it. It's 12 on here. 12. And now I'm cutting the bread. Make sure I get in the middle too. She sleep. And voila. So you have this piece, and then you have the bottom piece. All right. So now we're going to go in with this pan right here, and we're going to spray it down. Spray it down. And then we're going to put it on here so it can get a little toasted on it. That's how we're going to do it. And then we're going to put it in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And then I'm going to put these on in here. I'm going to have to make, I think, 3 more to seal the deal. So, okay. So I took it out. And that's how you would want it. Just like that. And then we're going to flip this over. And I don't know if I want to put I don't know if I want to toast the top of it and the bottom. I think I ain't going to do that. But this is what it looks like. No, okay, so we're going to get a close look. And here it is. And no, it's not burnt at all. It's just right. So again, like I said, I had to do 3 more to seal the deal. And here it go. I'm about to put it back in the oven. And after that get done, then I'm going to dress everything up. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to have fries with our sliders. So, yeah. So here go the fries. And what we're going to do, don't mind the dirt on it. It's all right. I know how to clean it off. What we're going to do is, see, I like to put mine on 375. And that's right there. And I push start. And now it's cooking. And yes, I put my bread back inside, flipped upside down, just for a little bit. So I'm gonna cut this on off and take it on out along with the meat. Yeah, all that popping and stuff. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take the cheese and I don't know if I wanna put, I'm gonna put it, this one's the bottom. That's the top. So I'm gonna just put the cheese on the top of it. I'm gonna just lay it out and put it on top. And then I'm gonna have to put it back in there for a little bit in order for it to, this darn thing. Yeah. Can't even open that. In order for it to melt and all that good stuff, I'm gonna just put it on the top for, in the oven for a little bit. So yeah. And I always bend it up like this and put it where the space is at. And I'm gonna do this one the same way. Have it at the end and fold it up, and then have it right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven. Hold on, because I don't want no cheese falling. And yes, my hands is clean, being clean. I ain't no dirty person. And then we're gonna put it back in here for a little so the cheese can melt and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do now, this is how many minutes, seconds is on the air fryer. I'm gonna just go ahead and look. Then I'm gonna shake it and see if it's getting a little brown. Yes, it is. Then we're gonna put it back in. Play with me. So now I'm taking it out, and this is what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like right here. So now what I'm about to do is put the toppings and all that on there, even the meat. So I'm putting the mayonnaise on there because we want mayonnaise on our stuff. And I'm going to spread it. And yes, this is clean because I washed it off. But we want mayonnaise on here, so this is what I'm putting on here. Look like butter, but we know it's not. Last time I made this, I forgot how I did it, but this is it right here. Huh? No, I'm talking about the bread and stuff, how I fixed it up. So now I'm putting the meat on top of this, on the bread. Make sure that it will fit because last time I had the whole meat, but I wanted to try this like this. Trying to get all of them on there. If not, I can layer it up and it'll be just fine too. Still gonna get 8. I made some last time. And it was so thick that they couldn't really eat it because it was so thick. I wanted to do it like that this time, but I said nope, we're not gonna do that. So this is what I'm doing. And now we're going to, so now what we're gonna do is put the lettuce on the top, dress it up, and all that good stuff. Making sure that it's gonna fit on here. And then I'm gonna have to cut it in between. And I don't have no tomatoes. Nope. I didn't get no tomatoes because it makes my stomach hurt. So I didn't get that at all. Now I got my pickles and I'm going to put it on one side. I'm not going to put it on both sides. I'm going to put it on one side. Just like this. Make sure that it's right tight like a bite, and you know, put it on there. Okay, so that's how many minutes right there is on there, and then come out like this. So I'm about to dump this and put some more in there. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right here. So I'm gonna take this and put it over here on this side, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. Okay, so this is what I got right here. It looks so good. Can't wait to dig in. But like I said, I forgot the tomatoes and everything, but it's all right. Okay, so now what I'm about to do is take this knife and we're about to cut it on up. So basically we get 2 a piece. Go ahead and continue to cut this on up.
Didn't even bother to put water on.
And what? And then we're gonna, well, I'm gonna cut it like this. Why not? It's all right, Journey. Ain't nobody time to record, so what? Good. You're good. Is it? I mean, what is it giving? The flavor, you know? Yeah. Okay, so now she's getting ready to try it. Why do y'all be acting like that?
The flavor tastes wonderful. Now we're gonna try the fries. Bruh.
Not cross-eyed. Ew, now you really did look cross-eyed now. So here goes the plate. They already done took theirs, as you can see. But this is my oldest daughter, and this is mine. I'm going to put ketchup and mayonnaise on my fries. I'm going to mix it up and do all that. And we're going to have some $1,000. But yeah, that's what I did. This is what I did. But this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you'll know when the next time I post another video. See you in the next video. Bye.